Let's talk about possibility. So the government, the FDA, requires placebo studies when a pharmaceutical company submits a new drug. And they have to have a placebo group, sugar pill, dummy pill, and the real thing. And usually that's blind and blah, blah, blah. What happens in placebo? 30% of the time in a group, 30% of a group will actually do what the targeted drug indicates. Magically, without understanding how a person can reverse their breast tumor, a person can heal things that these drugs are doing without any knowledge of how to do that. All based on a belief, a surrender to that belief that they have taken the real pill or have had an actual procedure and not a dummy procedure. It's amazing what is documented over 1 trillion times in the FDA. This is not happenstance. This is not a random thing that happens, but it actually applied predictable result if we apply what's going on in placebo, which is exactly what I did to get rid of my bone spur in my shoulder. I used the flow technique in my book and flowed energy to my bone spur every day, 30 minutes for 6 months. It took 6 months, but I don't have a bone spur. I don't need a shoulder replacement. That's a big deal. Well, what if we apply this to a dream? What if we apply this to something that we want to do? What if we could take this all-in idea and apply it? Well, there's a formula here, okay? You got to be out of the way. You got to be all in. I walk you through that in my book. I walk you through, by the time you connect to your soul, you will be so all in. And that's a lot of possibility for $16.95.